Alright, welcome everyone. Last day of the Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Wizards chess set. Figured I'd do Ron first. Let's see here. I got him, looks like scared face and I'm gonna say smug face, and while he was playing Wizards chess he was being pretty smug, so I'm gonna do that. His wand in there. And that's our for the day. See if we can focus on that instead of my rings. There it goes. Alright. So got him set aside. And like I said, I've nulled them out a little differently this way. Should just be go straight up and down. See how that goes. I can't do it on the other ones because they're different. Since this was all assembly line stuff, I figured I'd see if I couldn't streamline it. That being said, I'm gonna jump right in. Same as the black ones. I think I'm not going to do it, but I think it might be cool to put a black tile or a black head on these, just sort of break up the monotony of it. But make them all, have a little splash of color or contrast in there. But I say, for what it is, I think it's a pretty cool little piece. And that's sort of. And now I'll set up for the back row. there we go. Another completed side. The horses and I think that rook / tower, bishops, and the king and queen. Let's say I sort of. The more I think about it, the more I wish maybe put like the black disc on the bottom and the black square on the, just like I say, just to add a stripe, a little bit of break up the monotony of all white and all black. But that's, let's say, get all the guys out. You just knocked over your king. Off with your head. Right. Let's see. And of course Ron, the Wizard Chess Master. Yeah, that was, like I say, that was a pretty fun thing, it would be a fully functional chess set if you choose to use it as such. No reason it couldn't be. I do sort of wish there were studs on here rather than it being smooth, just to make it easier to transport and set things up. You just have one stud on each because they've all got the thing underneath there to grab onto with. But, beggars can't be choosers, can we? And I think, like I say, the little flames around the outside edges, sort of nice detail. I do, let's say, it's sort of, do you want the smoothness or do you want the ease of positioning the pieces? So that's sort of, it's heads or tails. But I think that's enough for today. So, as always, everybody, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.